Namaskar. Today I would like to explain you about Om sound. And there are a lot of people asking sometimes it is Om or AUM and how this sound has to be pronounced and all this. So I would like to explain that when we pronounce Om or when we practice or chant Om, so then we chant Om, OM is the sound. But when there is a technicalities when we explain the theory about the sound, then it's a AUM. It's called Akara, Ukara and Makara. So what it means by the Akara, Ukara, Makara and how it is helping in our body. So if you see our body, we have a three parts majority if it divided. From the lower part is from the navel area to the lower part. So this part is actually that the Akara sounds comes from, and it is resonating and relaxing the lower part of the body, and you have to chant mouth wide open and very relaxed and naturally like this. Breathe in. So it has to start very slow and has to end very slow, like a fade in and fade out effect. That is and very natural, without any effort. So all this round when you chant, it has to be very natural and effortlessness. Now, Ukara sound, it is resonating on the middle part of your body. It's from navel to head area, this area, neck area, and it is resonating on the heart chakra, and it helps you to balance the heart chakra and all the emotions. And you chant mouth like this, within. So this is the Ukara sound, and then when we go to the head region, that's where the Makara sound is we chant. Now Makara sound, when we chant, we close our mouth and then we feel the resonance, and try to feel the resonance like this. Breathe in. Feel the Makara sound, feel the resonance, feel the nice massaging effect on your head region. So if you chant this way, only these three sound like this, it will give you a very nice relaxation. And not only the relaxation, it will give you the more resonance in your body and help you to further your spiritual practices or the higher level of the meditation. To enhance this practice, I would like to show you how you can add on the mudras. So mudras is basically a gesture, or the hand gesture rather, and you use your finger to channelize the prana or the chi of the body. And we use the mudra, so for this, we use the chin mudra like this to perform the Akara sound. So chin mudra and breathe in. Then we use the Chinmay mudra to fold the three fingers like this. And Makara sound, we use Adi mudra, the thumb inside. Finally, we do a Brahma mudra. We fold the mudra like this in a navel area, and we chant A, O, Ma together in one breath. The ratio is supposed to be a 1:1:2. That means the Makara sound has to be longer than Akara and Ukara. Breathe in. Ah. So this A, O, breathing and sound with this pranayama, also called a Nadanusandhana pranayama, which is very powerful and very good for your health, and it will help you to cool down and your mind and the thoughts process. It helps you to give you the good sleep, and when you wake up early in the morning, if you can practice this, also it will give you the very nice feeling and energy throughout your day. And thank you very much. Namaste.